Hi guys, welcome to my channel, DR Build.
What's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to install a level mirror in your room or bathroom just using a painter's tape, a level, a pencil, and a drill. As you can see, I am using the painter's tape to measure one side to the other where the holes go, and I'm making my measurements. I use the pencil to do the markings on the painter's tape, and this is what's gonna make sure that when I make the holes, I don't mess up. As you paste the tape on the wall, you can measure where you want the holes to go depending on the type of mirror that you want. You want to make sure that it is flush from one side to the other, but this is perfect because it can help you out to ensure that you don't have unnecessary holes. Once you decide where your holes are gonna go, grab your level because this is gonna make sure that your mirror is not crooked. Now that you have your markings, you can start making your holes. After you make your holes, you can go ahead and put those anchors to secure your mirror to the wall. This is the easiest way to install a mirror and make sure that the mirror is flush. As you can see, it's 100% flush to the wall. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps our channel to grow. And I'll see you next time for the next video. And you have a good day.